Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel, and this is your friend Ankita. So for all of those who are new to my channel, hi guys, I'm Ankita and I make videos on makeup and skincare, and mostly I also have done some travel vlogs anyway, but that's the main thing. So anyway, now today we will be doing some makeup and it will be all drugstore brands. So that's the video of the day, doing my makeup with only drugstore brands, and we'll see the end result. Also, before starting, I do want to say that I don't feel that it's the brand that makes the difference, but it's the makeup artist or the person who's doing makeup that makes the difference. So on that note, let's start the video. I've already prepped my skin with moisturizer and face serum, and it's very important to moisturize and hydrate your skin before you start your makeup, because it gives you a really nice, fresh and glowing, healthy base for your makeup. So we've already passed that, and now I'm starting with the primer. Now I also have a sugar primer, which is a proper primer, but right now I am gonna use this Color Bar Primer Water. I'm not sure if the camera can pick up. Yeah, it's Color Bar, as you can see here. It's the primer water and it's called the Perfect Match Primer Water Erase Me. This is especially for combination skin. So I'm just gonna spray this on my face, and that's the primer here. I'm gonna wait for this to dry out. After the primer water dries out from your face, we are gonna do the color correcting, and I'm using this Sugar Face Forward corrector stick in the shade 02 Orange, Onward Orange. Yeah, here it is. So I'll be using this on my upper lips and a bit under my eyes and here and there. So you can use any color corrector, and if you do not need a color corrector, you can just skip this step altogether. So I'm using this sponge to blend it out. Now I'll be using the foundation, and also one of my favorite foundations by Sugar. This is the Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 40 Brev, which is a bit dark for me, but it's pretty manageable. Also, I have reviewed this. In case you want to check, you can check it out. I have just put the suggestion above. You can click there and check it out. So this is a really nice foundation. So guys, foundation is done, and I will be doing some concealing now, which is basically to brighten up my face, because this is a darker shade for me, and that's my mistake. I got a dark shade for myself. Now for concealing, I'm using this concealer from Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind concealer in the shade Neutralizer. So this is basically for brightening, because I'm looking so dull right now, but it's okay. Actually, darker foundations are always better than lighter foundations, because at least they don't make you gray. So just doing this. Although this foundation does not need a concealer, because it already conceals everything with its really high coverage, but right now for me I need it too much. The concealing is also done, and as you can see, my under eyes are a little brightened up now, and I'll be using this NYX powder for my baking now. Yep, here is the NYX HD finishing powder. So I'll be using this brush. This is a creamy foundation. The stick foundation is creamy. It is always creamy. The stick foundation is always creamy in texture. I've said creamy so many times right now. Anyway guys, because of this creamy foundation, I have an oily skin, which is why applying powder right now is really necessary. Actually, it's really necessary for me even with a foundation that is not so creamy. So all you oily girls out there, don't forget to apply your powder. And even if you have a dry skin, but if you're using a concealer under your eyes, baking always settles it down and makes it look better and crease free. Now while my under eyes are soaking in the powder, I'm gonna do my brows using this Color Bar eyebrow pencil. This shade is a bit dark for me. It's actually Chestnut 001. So because I have scanty brows, I generally go for ashy brown shades because that suits me more, and darker shades make my eyebrows look really heavy. But right now I'll be going with this only. First, brush the brows on an upward direction. So I have a lot of extra hair here and there. Well, let's see what best I can do. Guys, I've done my brows and I just cannot do it any better with the way they are right now, but because of the darker color it looks a little heavy, तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते उस चीज़ का, तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. I'll be doing my eyes. I've not really thought what I'll do. Let's see, but I'm gonna be using this Nykaa palette right here. I love this one. This is the Just Wink It in the shade Double Chocolate Chip. It's a neutral eyeshadow palette, and that comes in really handy. These are the shades of this palette. It's a really handy palette and one of my most favorite palettes. So first I'm taking this shade here. This is the one which is closest to my skin shade, my skin tone. So I'll be taking this and just gonna do it near my brow bone. I'll be applying this shade now on my eyelids, this reddish brown shade over here, this one, and I'll be applying it on my eyelids using the same brush. I generally don't use a lot of brushes. Okay, now I'm using the black shadow here and this round dome brush to add it in the outer corners of my eyes. I'm a bit scared. I'm usually scared when I use black color because it can make things go really wrong. Now I'll be using this shade in here. This is like a silver pearly shade here. So just to brighten this area, I'll be using this one. Also just remove whatever powder is left from my under eyes. I'm using this Lotus Kajal in here. This is the Eco Stay by Lotus, and it's not sharpened. I don't even have a sharpener right now. So let's see how I manage it. I really like this. This is a really jet black Kajal. And now I'm taking a smudger from a different eye pencil, and I'm just gonna smudge this Kajal, and I'm gonna apply some brown eyeshadow. Like this. Okay, so finally we are done with eyes, and now we're gonna move on to contouring. And for contouring, I'm using this palette by Sugar. It's the Contour the Force face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. Now this is a face palette with contour, highlighter and a blush, and I'm using this angled contour brush for contouring, and let's just do it. Let's make you look a little chiseled. Moving on to blush, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution. This is like an old palette and you can see its halat, but I really love it, and it's called the Ultra Blush palette in the shade Sugar and Spice. I love it because it has so many colors and it's super easy to use, super easy to carry. You have all your shades and it's not even that expensive. So I am gonna use which blush? Thinking which blush to use. Yahi hota options aane pe na you get really confused. Okay, so I'm gonna use this light brush here. It's not really too dark. It's like this. So it's like a light color, very light, you know, beige and pink kind of color. So I like to put on my blush on the rest of the face as well. So a bit on my nose, a bit on my forehead, some on my chin, like that. Now for my highlighting, I am gonna use the same Sugar palette that I used for my contouring, and I'm using this brush which I actually bought for baking, but I just felt like using it for my highlighting. And so it's the first time that I'm using this palette actually. So for highlight, just need to do a straight line on your cheekbone like that. It's nice, and take it further near your brows. Guys, I completely forgot to do my lashes. I just remembered it now, and for lashes I'm gonna use this mascara by L'Oreal called the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now moving on to lipstick, I'll be using one of my favorite shades from Maybelline. This is the Toasted Brown, and this is the Powder Mattes. Unfortunately it's broken, so I'll be using a lip liner to apply this. So guys, we've come to an end of this video, and this is the final makeup look using drugstore brands only. And just look at it, this is how the makeup looks, and let me know how do you find this look. I hope you guys like it. I am liking it. It's better than I expected it to be. So guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you still have not. Do comment and let me know your take on this makeup look, and all the information about the brands, products that I used is in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yeah, that's all. We'll see you again very soon with another video, and till then, take care. Bye.